Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my Wild Style. Remember, God loves you. I am going to start a series of 12 desserts for Christmas. Maybe one video, maybe 2 videos a day until Christmas. I hope you enjoy it, and if there is any suggestions you want me to do for you and figure out how to make that recipe, I will perfect it for you. Just let me know. I am going to start with the crust. This is 1 cube of softened butter, 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened, we are going to process this until it is smooth and creamy. Now I am going to add 3 cups of almond flour. And you could add more if you do not get the consistency of a soft, non-sticky dough. I am going to add half a teaspoon of salt. At this time, test your dough, fill it, and if it is not sticking to your fingers, it is absolutely perfect to work with. You will definitely need a silicone muffin form to make these because they need to go into the freezer for at least 3 hours after they bake. I just use my small cookie scoop to scoop out 1 ball per cup. You want this consistency for the dough. You should be able to roll it up in your hand just like this, so you know that it's formable. Now I'm going to use this small juice cup and spray it with avocado oil so I can push that dough into place. Spray it every time you are going to touch the dough. If the cup pulls some of the dough out, just pull off some dough and fill it into those places you need it. Now let's make the pecan filling. We will start off with 4 eggs, 1 cup of coconut sugar or allulose for sugar-free, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2/3 cup of maple syrup, 1/3 cup of molasses, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of spiced bourbon, or you could add 1 more teaspoon of vanilla. Now I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of arrowroot powder to. Now process this until well combined and the color is golden brown. Now add 1 cup of chopped pecans. We are just going to pulse this until it's combined so we don't break the nuts up too much. Now we're going to fill up these cups pretty generously because they will not overflow, and we want a good amount of filling in these. Now I'm going to take half of these to a party, so I'm going to put half a pecan on some of them. Now after these baked for a few minutes, I put them in the freezer, and you want to freeze these for at least 3 hours. I'm going to give you a short tour of this freezer. I half most of our meals and put the other half in a container like this. You can see that I have some squash, some spaghetti sauce, I have gluten-free pancakes, my butters here, I have a lot of nuts, most of my baked items, the kids' ice cream, and all of my seeds and nuts in the bigger containers down below. Ice and all these cubbies that make things so nice and neat. Okay, I actually left these overnight, so now we will show you what they look like. Just pop them out of the silicone. They will come out so easy and nice and clean. This crust is cream cheese, butter, almond flour, and a little bit of salt. So they will set up just like this. Here is this beautiful platter that I'm taking to the party for those of us that are gluten-free. They came out absolutely perfect. Let me taste one. That's incredible. That bourbon in there and the vanilla are so nicely balanced for that perfect taste. There really is no taste of molasses, which I was really happy about. I just needed that sweet thickener in there to make this filling perfect. And as you can imagine, that crust is so creamy, it just melts in your mouth. These are the best tarts I have ever had. And thank you for watching the video. And as always, may God bless you and enjoy these 12 desserts for Christmas.